Hey guys, what's going on? Rob from Clicks Geek, and in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to find profitable high converting keywords. All right, so obviously there's a lot that goes into high converting, but this is going to steer you in the right direction on the type of keywords to go for and type to avoid. So in today's video, we're going to do the niche. We're going to do plumbing. So you go into your AdWords account. Sorry, I should probably preface that. You go into your AdWords account. You come up here. I don't know if you can see that, to Tools and Settings button. It's like a wrench. It's an icon, wrench icon. You come over here to Keyword Planner, and then it opens you up to this page. So what we're going to do, you're going to see this page when you come here. We're going to start our keyword research. We're going to go to Discover New Keywords, and we're going to type in just generic theme plumber, because we want to find plumber keywords and ad groups. Now, there's a few different things you can do here. You can actually just cherry pick the keywords out and put them in an Excel sheet that you want, or you can build a plan and just create a campaign from the plan in a keyword planner, which is probably the most easy way. If you're going to build a campaign anyway in AdWords, this might be the best way to do it. So for today, we're going to actually just build out the ad groups and keywords in keyword planner. All right, so our first ad group we're going to do is going to be called Plumbers Near Me. So we're going to create a plan. We're going to do new ad group called Plumbers Near Me. And we want to add our keywords in exact match. Okay, that's important. We're going to add, we can always change them up later, so don't worry about that. But for right now, we're going to do exact match. And we're just going to go through and we're going to choose keywords for our ad group Plumbers Near Me. So obviously it's going to be all near me keywords. So plumbing companies near me, services near me, plumbers in my area, emergency plumber near me, local plumber near me. All right, I'm going to just go down a little bit more, and then we're going to move on. So this one, water heater repair near me, I would actually, that's a new ad group, so we're not going to do that right now. 24-hour plumber near me. Best plumbers near me. Okay, so that's good. So that's our first ad group. So we're going to add keywords to this ad group. Perfect. All right, now our next ad group, let's say it's emergency plumber. So we'll come up here, we'll do our generic themed keyword, emergency plumber. We got our plan, plumbers near me. We're going to create a new ad group, emergency plumber. Create. All right, so now we're going to find our emergency plumber. So actually, emergency plumber near me, we probably should have took that out of near me, plumbers near me, but that's fine for now. That's for another video. Emergency plumbing service, local emergency plumber, 24-hour emergency plumbing service, 24-hour emergency plumbing, 24-hour plumber. So we're taking all this stuff. 24-hour plumber near me. No, actually, we're going to keep that. It's going to be the near me ad group. Best emergency plumber, emergency plumbing repair. All right, so you guys, you get the point. You see what I'm doing. So then we got our keywords. We got our second ad group, emergency plumber, add keywords. All right, now let's say we're in Philadelphia. So obviously, I should probably show over this. You can come up here and change your location. So you're only seeing search volumes for a location you're targeting. So let's say we're going to do Philly plumber. These are all Philly numbers. All right, so let's just do the next ad group. We'll do a geo ad group. Philadelphia plumber. All right, so we're going to create our next ad group. Perfect. All right. So for Philly, we can we can do one of two things here. We can lump all of these into Philadelphia plumber ad group, like emergency, 24-hour, cheap, or we can bust them up into different ad groups and have all emergency plumber Philadelphia in one ad group and 24-hour plumber in one ad group. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to put these in one ad group, but I just want you to stress to you guys that normally I would be breaking these up into more ad groups. So for right now, though, we're just going to lump them all under Philly. So these are all great keywords. That's actually a good negative keyword, union. That's another video, though, how to find negatives. Yeah, these are great. So remember, we only want Philly style keywords. So the theme is Philadelphia plumber. So plumbers in South Philly. I might actually make South Philly a different ad group. But for now, like I said, we'll just put them in affordable plumbing contractors in Philadelphia. Northeast Philadelphia, that should be another ad group too. South Philly plumbers, that would be another South Philly ad group. But we're just going to put them in here today. Companies. All right, so we do that. Add keywords. All right, so now we got our plan. We have 3 ad groups in our plan. And what we're going to do next, we're going to create a campaign based on that. So obviously, guys, you want to build out your ad groups more before you create the campaign. I'm just showing you how to do this, okay? So if I was really doing this campaign, I would be breaking things up more, and I would also build out probably 15 to 25 ad groups, and then I would come where you're looking at right now and create the campaign. But I'm just kind of taking your hand and walking you through how you can do this in the keyword planner, because a lot of people don't even know that you have the option to build campaigns from the keyword planner, and it's really easy to do. So you hit create campaign, you name it. Let's just say Philly Plumbers. Just do whatever recommended budget is. Doesn't really matter. We're going to change all this stuff anyway. All right, so now it's creating our campaign. It's created. View campaign. And we have our campaign right here. And now what we're going to do, the first thing we're going to do is come in and we're going to do all the setting stuff. All right. So you go into settings. Assuming it opens. Come on. Give me a minute here, guys. Looks like my internet's being shoddy. All right, there we go. All right, so the first thing we're going to do, I like to run Search Network, but that's for another video as well. So we're going to do that. We're going to come into our location options. We're going to do people in or regularly your target areas. People in or regularly in your target areas, locations. We're going to add more locations, like say you do all the other zip codes around Philly or whatever. You're going to add all those in. You're going to hit save. You can come in here, change your budget to whatever you want it to be. This is fine for now because I'm just pausing this anyway. Do your languages, whatever languages you want to target. Come in here, choose your bidding options. So you have a few of those to different things you can be going on here. And that's, if you want to know about all these different bidding options, I have a playlist on our channel. I think it's just called AdWords Bidding. And I run through each one of these and how they work. So you can check that out too. So for now, we'll just keep it manual. CPC is fine. All right, so we have our settings done. We have our new budget set up. We have our locations done. Next, you would come into ad schedule, set up when you want to have your ads run. So let's just say this guy wants to run, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. or whatever. We just do that. There we go. We got an ad schedule form now. So these are times his ads running. Wouldn't mess around too much with this. So if you go into ad groups here, you can see all of your ad groups that we just created from the keyword planner. So all you're going to really do is go into each ad group one at a time. You can see here we have all of our keywords for that ad group, an exact match. Now let's say we want to add phrase match. We just could do this. Check them all. Let's do change keyword match type. And this is very important. Keep original keywords and create duplicate keywords with new match type. You want to check that. So we're going from exact match, which we currently have, to phrase match. Apply. So now Google's just cloned all of our keywords we found in the keyword planner and dropped them in our campaign in this ad group in a different match type. So that's pretty cool. And you can just keep doing that. So you want to do that. And then the next thing you want to do is go up to ads and extensions. And remember, we're in the ad group emergency plumber. And you're going to create your 3 ads, 2 text ads, 1 responsive search ad. And remember, this is emergency plumbing, so these ads will only be about emergency plumbing in Philadelphia or whatever locations you're targeting. So you're going to build those, and then you're done. Next, we can go back into our next ad group, Philadelphia plumber. We're going to choose them all again. Change match types, keep original, exact to phrase. Apply. There you go. Come on, come on, come on. I don't know what is with this today. So same drill. You're going to go through, you're going to do each ad group. You're just going to come in, you're going to take your exact keywords, you're going to clone them, you're going to make them phrase match, and then you're going to go into your ads and you're going to create your ads for that ad group and move on. And then once you do all of your ad groups and you're done, I don't know why this didn't work. Hang on 1 second. Because now it's bothering me. Oh, there it is. Damn it. Alright, well, I messed that up. But anyway, that's all you're going to do. And then let's say you're done. You went through all of your ad groups that you created in Keyword Planner. So you have all your ad groups done. Each ad group has its keyword match types that you want to do. It has its ads. All right, you have your location settings set up. You have your ad schedule. All your settings are done. So the next thing you're going to do is ads and extensions, and you're going to start doing all of your extensions you want to do for the campaign. So basically, this video just summarizes how you can go into the Keyword Planner and actually build a campaign right from the Keyword Planner. So my best advice, if you guys are going to do this, this is the easiest way to make campaigns. It's just hands down, it's just way easier than messing around with Excel sheets and all this stuff. This way is great. So if you guys want to do this, just keep in mind that you need to take your time. I obviously just blew through this because I'm making a video and I don't want to keep you guys here for an hour going through 50 ad groups. But yeah, it's just a little shortcut. It's easy to do. So if you guys have any questions about creating this or using the Keyword Planner to do this, comment below the video and I'll jump in and answer as best I can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the red subscribe button down at the bottom right of this video. Like this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Oh, in the description below this video too, I dropped a free ebook about some 5 quick hacks you can do to increase your ROI in AdWords. So make sure you check that out as well.